As the gentle sun rises over the shimmering Aegean Sea, my girlfriend and I embark on a heartwarming journey through the captivating islands of Santorini and Crete. With each step, we uncover the stunning landscapes and rich culture that make these islands a true testament. As the sun peaks over the horizon, we get ready for an epic adventure. We're off to climb mountains, explore uncharted territory, and tackle the challenges that the heat brings along the way. As we roam around the old Greek ruins, it's amazing to imagine the vibrant civilization that once called this place home. We see traces of their lives in the worn stones, crumbling columns, and pathways that have stood the test of time. And then we're off to embark on a new adventure, exploring the awe-inspiring Havgas Gorge near the village of Kritsis. From the moment we start, we're struck by the beauty of the narrow passage, where the mountain seems to have split in two, creating a 1.5 meter wide pathway.
Life in a city with a mythical cave in Crete, where legend has it that Ray gave birth to seals. We make our way to this hidden gem nestled in the heart of the island. Through it all, we forged lasting memories, strengthened our bond, and discovered the true essence of adventure. Our journey through Greece has left an indelible mark on our hearts, and we'll forever cherish the moments we shared in this enchanting land.